itch. Move on to this next drawer. Just ever get the urge to just impulsively clean?
Wow. Crazy. You're crazy, girl.
What are you doing? I don't know what I'm doing!
What was that?
Ew, this is so cringe. Guilty.
Recently, I have been running into a little bit of a problem. I can't quite open my drawers. And I know that this is just a mammoth-sized project that I just needed that itch to do. So here we are today with that itch ready to clean. And you know, I told myself after I've just finished my mountain of laundry that I just folded, I am not allowed to go to bed with all this laundry on my bed unless the laundry's put away. Then I'm also not allowed to put the laundry away unless I get all of these dressers organized and cleaned. So I am just going to go ahead and clear out all of the clothes in here and then refold and reorganize them so that it's a little bit neater and that I can like see everything, and then I can also be able to like, you know, open the drawer. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into that right now. Alright, I don't know if you guys are familiar, but I'm just going to be folding these shirts with the Marie Kondo method, where I like make it super skinny because I kind of want to do like a little filing cabinet look, you know, where it just looks organized and I can just peek through my shirts like that with my fingers, just like that.
Child. Anyway, so...
Look at how beautiful and folded these are. This obviously isn't everything that was going in this drawer. This is a combination of my other laundry, but I'm gonna put some of this in the drawer and make it look nice and neat. It has officially been 2 weeks. I don't even know, honestly. It's been a while since I've continued filming this video, and I told myself that I wasn't going to put up the rest of my laundry that's been sitting on my chair for about a week or two now. I need to finish cleaning out my dresser, and I'm going to try and do the rest of that today. Fingers crossed. I'm not gonna push it. I thought that it'd be fun if I just go ahead and get the most difficult, I wouldn't say most difficult, but the most daunting drawer out of the way, which is my workout tops. This drawer is just filled to the brim with things. I need to donate some things. I need to refold and reorganize, and so I'm going to be showing that today and hopefully getting that done today. At least that drawer. That drawer, it needs some serious help because I mean, you guys can see, I can hardly pull it out. Yeah, I'm just a mess right now. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into it. I should have made my bed, but we already in too deep, y'all.
Narzi Benito, Ashigananada.
Like with what I did with my shirts, I'm going to be trying the Marie Kondo method of folding things, the general method.
Go to the general and save some time!
It's nothing like special. I'm really just trying to maximize the space that I have with items that I have left over from what I decided to keep. And yeah, we're gonna go from there. Ow. I scratched a freaking pimple on my eye. Ow. I need a second.
You are a dumb bitch.
Alright, and here's for the fun part, which is closing it, which I can officially do with ease. That makes me happy. You know what, I'm not going to say much about it. It's the next day and we need to keep cleaning, so we're just going to do that. Move on to this next drawer, which is all of my workout bottoms. This actually shouldn't be too bad just because I did go through this not too long ago and try to organize some of it. Alright, it is now time for me to do the one thing that I have been dreading the most, which is folding my laundry. I have just been putting this off because I've been telling myself before I could put these clothes away, I needed to reorganize my dresser. So here we are finally getting to put my clothes away, and I am tired and really not in the mood to do it, but we're gonna do it anyway. We come this far, we need to just go ahead and finish. Mochi. Okay, it's all folded, and now I just gotta hang up my clothes and then put away all the folded stuff. She's just tired and she wants to lay down, but we're doing chores right now, so that's gonna have to wait. Oh yes, yes. Just trying to get some titty milk.
Several months later.
Hi, it is now 2023. I filmed this video in September of 2022. So, to say that I'm a little bit behind would be an understatement. Because, you know, it's been a while, and I'm sure you guys are wondering, what does my dresser look like now that it's been a few months? Did I keep up with this folding routine? Did I maintain the order in my dresser? Well, it's empty! Why? I'm doing a room renovation and I need to move some of the furniture out of my room, and it is just easier to move this vivacious lady I call a dresser out of my room when it's empty. So I currently have all of my clothes that were in the dresser in a container away in the dark, not to be seen for another few months. Probably, because I won't be able to finish this room renovation until like March. But it's okay. As a stipulation for keeping you guys on the hook for so long, I will be making another video of me reorganizing this, because I do want to reorganize it a little bit differently next time because I have it all out now, so I'll be able to really deal with more of the clutter that I had in my dresser, because after editing this video I realized that I still have too many things in my dresser in general. So the issue wasn't that it wasn't neat enough, the issue is that I have too much of it. I need to go ahead and organize that, but that will be a later problem. But anyway, thank you guys for getting this far into the video, and if you're this far, I want to give you a kiss.
Oh, girl, let me give you a kiss. That is good. Mwah. That one's gotta go.
You did not have to stay this far, and you did, and that's amazing, and I really, really appreciate that. So thank you. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.